Check it. Hey, what up guys? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're looking at AMC and GME. We also quickly cover Bitcoin in the overall crypto market as well as the overall stock market. This video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and do this before buying any stock or crypto asset. We're going to be checking out the meme stocks in this video. We still have more meme stock madness happening. Also, the market had an amazing pop to the upside. We're going to be covering all that and more. Let's not waste any more of your precious time and hop in the charts, the facts, the data. Let's go.
Alright guys, what up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at AMC and GME and focusing on AMC and GME, showing you guys what is going on for the meme stocks. This video is not financial advice and should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. Let's go ahead and show you guys what's going on for AMC real quick, and then show you guys what's going on for GME. I also want to briefly point out that Bitcoin is tracking along with our daily prediction. As you guys can see, Bitcoin tracking along with the daily macro prediction. You guys can see that we popped to the upside, breaking above that 65.6K level. If we can stay above this level, we're going to be making a move to that 69.2K level. We're breaking out of this overall falling wedge structure, and this is bullish for BTC to potentially make a higher high than this 73K level, but at least get a little rally to the upside in the short term. So I am thinking that Bitcoin is going to be making a move to the upside, and crypto as a whole, as Ethereum starts to break above 3,000. And if Ethereum breaks out of this falling wedge and tracks with this prediction, we're going to be seeing a decent move to the upside for crypto. I also just want to point out that SPY got a pop to the upside. Inflation came out, marking acting irrational in my personal opinion, because we still have inflation, and inflation is remaining elevated. We literally have stagflation, but you guys can see the market popped to a brand new high, 530.08. I just want to point out that RSI is getting to that overbought territory here on the daily time frame, and we are outside of the bands. So I do think the market will have to pull back in a big way, and again, these are leading to irrational and unsustainable rallies. As you guys can see, these gap fills to the downside, these gaps are going to get filled, and being this far outside of the bands with RSI being this high is a key and a setup for a pullback. So that is what I'm looking at for SPY briefly. I do think it will be pulling back. You want to make sure it doesn't lose the levels of 529.05. If it starts losing that level, you'll probably see some pullback to the downside for SPY. Let's go ahead and show you guys what's going on for the meme stocks, AMC and GME. I want to point out that AMC is in a falling wedge and GME is potentially in a falling wedge as well. If the meme stocks can stay above certain levels, and I'm going to give you those levels here in a second, you're going to be seeing a move to the upside for the meme stocks. That level for AMC is $5. We want to see AMC stay above $5. The question is, can AMC stay above $5 and hold those levels until Friday? If we can manage to do that, they're going to have to start hedging these calls. There's so many calls expiring in the money. If we can maintain these levels, AMC above 5, GME above 30, things are going to get crazy. We're going to see a push to the upside, and that is correlating with what we're seeing here on the technicals as well, because if we break out of this falling wedge, you're going to be seeing a move to the upside as well, especially if we hold that key level of $5 for AMC and $30 for GME. So we could potentially be seeing a move to the upside here tomorrow, as they will start hedging their calls here Thursday and Friday. The calls expire on the money Friday. So Friday they have to be hedged. So by Friday they have to be hedged. So Thursday and Friday are the days they're going to start hedging these calls. And since we stayed above $5 today, they might start hedging them here tomorrow, and we could see that push to the upside here for AMC and GME. Again, we want to hold these key levels until at least Friday. As far as GME is concerned, there's 229,000 calls expiring in the money at time of recording. And as far as AMC is concerned, there's 126,000 calls expiring in the money. Again, if we get higher levels, more calls expire in the money. That means more gamma. That means they have to buy more shares out of the open market, and that's going to push the price higher. Another thing we have to look forward to as well is cost to borrow. cost to borrow is spiking, that means it's going to cost more money for them to get shares to push AMC and GME down. The higher the cost to borrow is, the more it costs for them to get shares to push the stocks down, which means the less bearish pressure we're going to see. So that is something we want to see and look at, is cost to borrow. You guys can see cost to borrow is sitting at 18% here for AMC, and then cost to borrow for GME at time of recording is sitting at about 10.43%. Cost to borrow a little bit lower for GME, and that is why they're able to get a little bit more shares. You guys can see 750,000 shares available to short for GME, and then we only have 500,000 available to short for AMC. I also do want to report that Adam Aaron, just after yesterday reporting that dilution was over, made a new 8K filing that said dilution is happening again. So that is why we did have some pullback today. Again, people are underestimating how and why AMC and GME moved together. The algos are the same. That's why GME pulled back with news of dilution on AMC stock. GME had no reason to pull back. It just pulled back because it's on the same algo as AMC and GME. And as you guys can see, the same people also trade AMC and GME. So they are very, very closely related. So there's no world where GME runs and AMC runs, or where AMC runs and GME runs. They are going to run together, and they are also going to fall together. You guys can see here in after hours, they are down slightly, but both of them are trying to work on breaking out of these falling wedges. AMC, if it can hold that $5 level, is going to be breaking out of this falling wedge. And GME, if it can hold $36 as support, it's going to be breaking out of this falling wedge. Again, this could be happening tomorrow. So as long as we don't see a major pullback in the morning, I think we could see a pop to the upside and maybe a recovery going back to the upside and reversing this overall downtrend that we're seeing. And if you watch my video yesterday, I pretty much drew that we might need to consolidate a little bit before moving up, and it looks like that is the case that we might be seeing. We just need to consolidate, and then we'll be able to move back up, especially as we get closer to Friday, and they're going to have to hedge for more and more calls if we can maintain these higher levels. And if price goes up, again, they're going to have to hedge for more and more calls, causing more and more buying pressure. So things do look good in my personal opinion for a potential move to the upside and a recovery for the meme stocks. So a lot of people are asking, is this completely over? I don't think so, especially with this bullish falling wedge. As you guys can see here on the smaller time frames, we are starting to flip bullish on the meme stocks as well. Here on the 30-minute time frame, we do have green MACDs on both of the meme stocks. Bollinger Bands constricting, letting us know that volatility is coming. So a big move is definitely coming, ladies and gentlemen. So we want to be ready. Shares available to borrow is starting to dry up, and with these cost to borrow levels so high, it's going to be harder for them to get shares. So it does look like we do have a potential setup for a pop to the upside. Again, we have multiple gap fills to the upside for AMC and GME. So me personally, I'm holding my long-term position. You guys can see here on GME, Bollinger Bands constricting above the blue medium line. It looks like we're going to be making a pop to the upside, especially if we can maintain these levels by tomorrow morning. Again, we want to see GME hold $36. We want to see AMC hold $5, and especially if we can hold these levels towards the end of the week, they're going to have to start hedging for these calls, especially starting tomorrow and Friday. So tomorrow's a big day for the meme stocks. You want to tune into the live stream. I will be live market open to market close, so you guys can tune in for that for more predictions as they do become available. I'll be covering Bitcoin and the overall market, but I'll mostly be focusing on the meme stocks. But that's what we mostly do in the live stream. We have fun and get money. If you guys think that is informative and you guys think that's something you're interested in, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe for more accurate technical analysis predictions. But guys, this is pretty much everything I have for you for this video. If you found the video informative, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe and comment down below to help the video spread. And I appreciate each and every one of you, especially if you managed to watch the end of this video to see this message. As always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
Alright guys, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like and press subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And I appreciate it if you managed to watch to the end of this video. Drop a comment down below to help this video spread, and press that like button to help out. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.